Welcome back to our channel, food lovers. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Italian desserts to uncover some fascinating unknown facts about one of our favorites, the cannoli. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and expand your culinary knowledge. Let's roll the intro. We have a treat in store for you, literally. We'll be exploring the rich history and surprising facts behind the beloved Italian dessert, cannoli. So, grab a cup of espresso, sit back, and let's begin. Our first unknown fact takes us back in time to the origins of cannoli. Did you know that these delectable pastries date all the way back to ancient Sicily? The word cannoli actually means little tubes in Italian, which perfectly describes their shape. They were originally made as a symbol of good luck during the carnival season, a festive period before Lent. Tubular evolution. Now, here's an interesting twist. While the classic cannoli we know today are filled with a sweet ricotta-based cream, this wasn't always the case. In the early days, cannoli were often filled with savory ingredients like meats, cheese, and even fish. It wasn't until later that the sweet filling became the popular choice, turning cannoli into the beloved dessert we enjoy today. Secret to crispy shells. Picture this: you take a bite of a cannolo, and the shell is perfectly crispy, yet not overly oily. How do they achieve that? Well, here's a little known secret. Traditional cannoli shells are made using wine as a key ingredient in the dough. The wine helps create a delicate and flaky texture, providing that satisfying crunch when you bite into it. Size matters. Cannoli come in various sizes, from bite-sized miniatures to generously portioned treats. However, did you know that there's an actual Guinness World Record for the largest cannolo ever made? In 2012, pastry chefs in Italy created a massive cannolo that measured over 30 feet long and weighed a whopping 770 pounds. That's enough cannoli to satisfy an entire neighborhood. Regional varieties. While cannoli is undeniably an iconic Italian dessert, it's interesting to note that different regions in Italy have their own unique takes on this delightful treat. In Sicily, the birthplace of cannoli, you'll often find them filled with ricotta cream and garnished with candied fruits and pistachios. In other regions like Naples, you might come across cannoli that are filled with chocolate-flavored cream or even filled to order for maximum freshness. Creative twists. Cannoli has also inspired creative variations beyond traditional flavors. Today, you can find an array of innovative cannoli creations, such as coffee-flavored fillings, Nutella-infused creams, or even cannoli ice cream. It's amazing to see how this simple yet versatile dessert continues to evolve and captivate taste buds worldwide. And that's a wrap on our video exploring the unknown facts about cannoli. We hope you've enjoyed this delicious journey through history and learned something new along the way. Remember, the next time you savor a cannolo, you'll have a whole new appreciation for the centuries of culinary tradition packed into that crispy shell. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more fascinating food adventures. Until next time, buon appetito!